Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to sign up for a TV2Play account. So in order to do that, the first thing to do is to open a web browser and type in play.tv2.no and press enter on your keyboard. Doing this will take you to the official website for TV2Play. From the main homepage, click on the login button on the right hand side corner if you already are a customer and you'd like to log into your existing account. In the sign in or create a new account page, you can go ahead and select one of the login methods for existing accounts, but if you want to create a new account or sign up, click on create a new TV2 account button. Now enter a valid email address and create a password in the text boxes. After filling in your credentials, click on go to registration, and on the next page, go ahead and fill in some of your personal details. Start off by typing in your first name and then your last name. Enter your mobile phone number on the next field. After filling in your correct mobile number, select your date of birth from the drop-down. Select your gender if you want, and then click on this I accept the terms of use and privacy statement box. If you want to receive updates on new shows and contents from the platform, check on this next box as well, and finally click finish. Now you'll receive a code on your email. Enter the code by visiting your inbox. Click open the email that you received inside your email inbox, and then look for this code that should arrive. Copy the code and paste it inside the code text box for your TV2Play account. Now click login. After entering your code, you will be able to see this interface. Select your profile, and then you will be able to find yourself inside the main homepage, which means you've successfully created a new account. So that's how easily you can sign up for TV2Play. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.